Vermeer is a grassroots company of local people, some of the best engineers I know, and they use SOLIDWORKS.
When it first came out, it was much easier to use than other solid modeling type packages. I think it continues to be that way. The menus are intuitive, easy to understand. You don't have to be that expert user to take advantage of a lot of its features. If you are that expert user, it has those, but you can operate at that entry-level user and do really well. It's important to have a package that you can be efficient at with minimal training and minimal seat time on the modeling.
One of the machines that we use SOLIDWORKS to design is our medium drill. The medium drill is used to put in utility cables for phone lines, electrical lines, fiber optics throughout the world. It is a very complex machine with a lot of hydraulics and electrical on board. A lot of features to help the drillers make good decisions, whether it's water or sewer lines. And we use SOLIDWORKS for the entirety of that design. There's no other CAD for mechanical design here at Vermeer.
There's so many other little parts of the SOLIDWORKS that we integrate with as far as doing structural analysis. Being able to do multiple configurations, I think, is nice. Weight was a big issue for us. We had to maintain a certain max weight. It had the weight distribution on the semi-trailer versus the tires, and we had to move the center of gravity around.
It's so fun to be able to show a concept to someone who's not in front of SOLIDWORKS every day to try to explain to them maybe how a part fits together. You can quickly show them any of those parts. You can show them the inside of the part, you can show them the back side, you can rotate around a little bit, you can communicate faster and get on the same page.
One of the advantages of working with SOLIDWORKS is our ability to reuse components throughout many different models of drills. And many of those components can be reused from one drill to another. Take an idea from one drill, size up the geometry with SOLIDWORKS' parametric modeling. It speeds up your process, but you change the part once, and it propagates that change throughout the assembly models that part is used in.
When we make these changes, we reduce design cycle times, which reduces cost, and we improve quality. So it's kind of a cheaper, faster, better all at the same time.
When I started, Vermeer was significantly smaller. SOLIDWORKS continued to grow with us and allowed us to do the things that we needed to do that our customers and our team members have been asking for. I would say SOLIDWORKS is one of the reasons why we picked the next move.
We wanted a platform that worked on the cloud. Then we wanted to be able to integrate different business units and be able to replicate those processes globally. The 3D Experience platform provided that level of functionality that we needed to grow as a company and continue to get more efficient in those processes.
It's a very versatile, useful software that doesn't restrict us, just a matter of your imagination, what you can come up with.